Larissa. This is my husband David, and we live in Coquitlam, British Columbia.
Well, basically for the safety issue, I have Parkinson's disease, and it's progressive. And it meant that for my own safety and longevity, I'd have to move into a house because everything was on one floor, or an apartment building, a condominium where everything was on the same floor, or into a care facility, assisted living, to support my disability needs. But we lose the joy we have in our own house, and the cost of these alternatives was such that an elevator was a cheaper option. It may not seem like that at the beginning, but when you go to sell your house, you've got a lot of expenses and fees that have to be paid and taxes, and then the chaos that is involved. Currently in the part of British Columbia we live in, there's very few houses that have a master bedroom on the main floor. It's almost non-existent, and it's stairs up, stairs down, bedrooms up, living areas down, and you can't find houses that are suitable for disabled persons with ambulation issues. When I first saw the picture of what it looked like, I pictured what it would look like in our house. And in reading about it, I was impressed by the safety issues and the simplicity of the technology. I'm maybe oversimplifying it, but it had an appeal to me, and it does fit in our house.
And because, as all women, I like the beauty of it. It is elegant, it is simple, and it fits perfectly into our home. When a person thinks of an elevator, they think of something clunky. And this is very opposite. It has an elegance, and I like the fact that you could choose any kind of finish you want to blend with your home. And once it's put into your home, it looks like it always belonged in your home. And that made David, of course, goes through all the more important issues, but I guess I look at the beauty issue, and it is a beautiful piece of machinery, very beautiful. The technicians were very capable and very organized, and they were very particular about keeping everything clean. You never worried about anything. They took care of everything. They arrived on time. They were very efficient, very polite, nice people, and they knew what they were doing. And as David said, no issues.
It's a very smooth ride.
And very simple. You just press a button and you go to the first floor, and it was surprising. Very little noise, very smooth, easy to operate. We were very surprised how easy it is to operate.
The anxiety of falling down the stairs is gone, and we go up and down the elevator and up instead of the stairs, probably more frequently now that we have the elevator. I mean, it's a lot easier to use the elevator than to risk the stairs.
David feels safe, relaxed, and happy because he doesn't have to worry about any accidents. It's made a big difference in that respect.
And how they use air to elevate the elevator and make a nice smooth ride down. The lighting system is quite intriguing, and you can change the lighting in multiple different ways.
I find that for me, I love my home. I love the neighborhood we're in, and our neighbors. I love our neighbors, and the elevator has allowed us to stay in this location. And we're happy here, so we don't have to move. David, as I said, feels safe and relaxed because of the elevator, and we know that this can be our permanent home. We don't have to worry about having to move because of mobility issues. The elevator takes care of that. Oh, first of all, she was surprised how the elevator looked like it was part of the house. It didn't stand out. She was very surprised about that. And again, she's growing older as we are, and she can see that this now can be an option for her. Oh, we have because of all the reasons we brought up before. Again, it fits into a home so perfectly. It looks like it belongs. It's elegant. It's well manufactured. There's no pieces that hang out. And if you have mobility issues, like many of our friends, if they don't have them now, will have in the future, it will allow them to stay in the home they love. And that's so important, because in the home you love, you have all your family memories, and it's a special place.
It has exceeded my expectations. It's just become part of our life now that we have an elevator, and it's just removed a lot of stress and anxiety about is it safe to go upstairs or down the stairs today. Not anymore.
You don't have to worry if you're having a good health day or a bad health day, because the elevator helps out. I would definitely recommend Nibav to my family and to my friends, as I have already, because we've had experience with it, and it's lived up to all our expectations.
I would agree with that.